Kaden, look at mommy. What is it? Look at mommy. What do you see? Hey, look at mom.
A bird.
Where is the bird?
I got suckiest.
Come on. I can't believe it's really that bad.
No, Daddy!
What is that?
Can you pick him up?
I got this one.
Oh.
What kind of bird are you?
Let me see.
If I can get you, I got him. Okay, I got
Oh,
him
that one's flying.
I'll get him. Look. See, Reagan? It's just a little bird. Oh, shit!
What's the matter, Reagan? Daddy will get him out. See, Daddy's letting him go. Come on, Kaden. Watch him, he'll fly away.
Oh, shoot. Okay, one more.
Aww. You have him?
Yeah.
Can we see?
Nope.
Can we see?
Let him see it.
Please.
I don't know if he's, I don't know how I have him. If I let him go, he might fly out.
He pooped on your wall, Kaden.
You want him to poop on you?
Look, he pooped on the wall.
He pooped on the wall. He's moving. This is his right
Can
here.
he fly out?
Hold on, let's go outside.
Okay.
He's right. Here's his beak. Here's his head. Here's his wing.
You're gonna have to just put him down.
Yeah.
We go outside and see him.
Kaden, look, come here. He's in there. Watch. Kaden,
I can't get it.
close the door.
Why?
Well, so he doesn't come right back in.